After determining the best route for the 1/2-inch vinyl tubing, we will then cut into the discharge side of the coolant pump. Next, we will install the T. Make sure the straight section of the T follows the original route of the tubing. This will guarantee maximum flow to the machine tooling. After securing the first 2 hose clamps, you will then hook up the new 1/2-inch vinyl tubing. This attaches to the short side of the T and will be the feed for your coolant filter. Secure the last hose clamp and this operation will now be complete.